But when I feel like I feel, you let me know that it's free. You're just free. My eyes are free. If it's what alright, I need you, baby. You want the lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby. La you say, oh, pretty baby. La you say, baby. If you love that, thank you, Gino. I was so worried about you last week because I was doing a concert. The place will fill in. I'm so proud of you. You know, I voted for you. Even when I was singing, I was still voting. Excuse me.
I congratulate your concert. It's very good.
So you watched the concert?
I watched the concert. It's very good.
How's that possible? You're here and there. Okay, never mind. Excuse me. What? We're here. I know. Bill, don't do that. I have a hard time. But anyway, congratulations. Huh? Yeah. Excuse me?
Regine, ano ba sabi ng judges dyan?
I'm getting confused. I'm getting mixed signals from you. It's very hard.
I'm confused myself.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so now, we will ask the judges kung ano ang masasabi nila. Danny, I'll start with you.
Okay. Phil, I think you are the most improved performer. The first part was really...
Isn't that easy mean to the west to start with?
No! That means you're the best. Actually, you're not the most, you're the best improved. You have to speak with an accent. You were the best improved, I heard. Yes. That way he will understand you.
Yeah.
Okay, Sasha, what can you say? Yeah, I can't take my eyes off of you.
Maraming salamat.
Oh my God. I want to take you home. Please, Daddy, be nice to me, please.
Please.
She wants to take you home, but don't listen to her. Don't go with her. You're married. Well, yeah. I married him for that. I don't know. See, you forgot? But he's a young husband. That's right. Okay, congratulations. There's 2 positives. Now the third one is we have. Let's pray. Let it be positive. Here we go. Let's see.
You know, Phil, I had a nickname for you already this afternoon.
Oh no.
I was calling you Kenneth.
Kenneth?
Yeah, Kenneth C, Kenneth San, tonight, you're proving me wrong.
Our prayers work! Did you hear that? You're not anymore Kenneth, you're now Ken. And I'm Barbie. Oh my God! What is wrong with this picture? Well, what you know, just confused. Yeah, only... Later on, I'll... Congratulations. Ikaw what? Sobra na yan, kota ka na. Kota na. Kumukota ka na sa pagiging basta. Whatever it is. Whatever it is, I am very confused. Where are you going? What's that? Something for you. That's for me. That will make you more confused. Thank you. I think I'm gonna cry. Ano ba? Look at your picture. How come I don't have that? You're only giving me. I'll share it with you, don't worry. I don't want to share with you. Congratulations, Bill. Thank you very much, judges, and to vote for your favorite sex duet, face name of celebrity contender, and send to 2344 or 367. JC Buendia will cover the stage. Here are celebrity duet. Congratulations. Bye. Here. Wow, look. There's tissue. Is this really mine? Ano ba? This is yours? You're joking. There's brand new set. And there's Mentos. Are those for sale? Is ba? Nalito ka ba doon? Nalito ka doon. Kasi nung wala ka, ganyan yan eh, nag-uubad-ubad eh. Kita yung abs. Abset.
Abset?
Yeah, the pecs here.
Hmm? Oo. Hindi pag na-announce na yung tatanggal, pwede na bumaba. Kasama.